Hi, I'm Rajeev. Today I teach you how to create your own avatar using AI. If you want to create your own avatar, please watch full video. So let's recreate the whole process. First we need an image, so for this we will going to use the Midjourney. If you don't have an account, just click on join in the beta. It will take you to the Discord server. I have already joined the Discord server, so I'm not going to do this step, but you will have to do it. If you don't have an account, so once you are in the Discord server, so simply find one of the newbies channels. So let's say I click on this now in order to show these are different images that people are generating. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Now in order to generate an image you need a prompt. Midjourney has a special syntax for plain prompt, so it's /imagine and then you simply provide the prompt. So I'm going to be using a prompt men wearing black suit looking professional. So basically we described what we want the image to look like. Run. This is going to take a 30 to 60 seconds. So we will have to wait. Like a bird on a tree. Okay, so Midjourney has generate for potential images. Let's me actually explain what's going on here. So these V1 is basically showing the image numbers, that's U1, U2, U3, U4, and then you can pick one of them. Let's say that variation 1 to 3, 4, so you can actually choose one of them and it will generate 4 more like based off of that. But now let's say we want to use one of them and simply upscale it. So upscale is basically make it a bigger. So let's say I want to use the fourth one. Okay, so all I have to do is you went right and it will start upscaling it. So it will again take some time. Please wait. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around. Okay. So it seems to be done upscaling the image. Let's simply save the image. Alright, awesome. So now let's move on to the second step. So next we go to Chat GPT. I asked Chat GPT to create a script.
tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
For this video, so it came up with the script. All you have to do is simply copy this script, and we will use FLIKI AI to create voiceover.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to
Choose voice artist and languages.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
FLIKI helps you create audio and video content using lifelike.
FLIKI helps you create audio and video content.
FLIKI helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute. Paste your script and play.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
If you want to learn FLIKI AI, please check our video for free text to speech or check description. I will share video link.
We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
I'm Rajeev. Today I teach you how to create your own avatar using AI. If you want to create your own avatar, please watch full video. Download audio file. Right, so we are done with our audio section as well. Now let's move to DID for creating our video. So again, in the DID platform, you can either you can simply click on free trial, or you can make your account to actually create videos, right? Okay, so I will just click on create videos. Let me add another avatar, so that's the one. that we are going to be using, right? They have some pre-built avatars as well that you can choose, but I simply uploaded the one that we just created with Midjourney. Okay, now the other option is in terms of the audio. You can type in the script. They have a few voices that you can use and they are pretty nice, so you can actually change the style as well. Look, assistant, chat or cheerful, that is friendly voice as well. But let's upload our own audio that we created.
The world seems small. We can sit
Hi, I'm Rajeev. Today I teach you how to create your own avatar using AI. If you want to create. Okay, so it seems to have uploaded the audio. Now let's ask it to generate the video. Alright, it keeps track of how many cards you have. I think it gives you like 10 credits and each video takes 1 to 5 credits. So let's generate the video. It's going to take some time. Okay. So the video generation is completed, so you can actually simply download the video if you want.
take a step back to see the truth.
Hi, I'm Rajeev. Today I teach you how to create your own avatar using AI. If you want to create your own avatar, please watch full video. So you can see they were able to animate the face using the voice, although it still looks robotic, but I think that's a pretty good as a free tool to use, so that's always nice. I hope you liked the video. If you watch something similar, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.